Hi, welcome to my video. I am Robin Kay. I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer, and today I'm going to be doing our June Club Couture monthly transfer for June. It's a beautiful thing. If you don't know what our club is, it's a monthly subscription. You get an exclusive B-size transfer that's for club members and designers only. When you're a club member, for $19.99 you get your exclusive transfer plus 3 paste packets. For this month, with this transfer, you'll get Eucalyptus, Couture Coral, and Daffodil, which are the colors I'm going to be using. And I'm also going to be using Bright White. And if you're a club member, you get flat rate shipping on anything you order off my Chalk site. $4.95 for US and $9.95 for Canadian. And they always have off and on specials for the month. This month they don't have any. They have a Kickstart, but it's for everyone. You will also get next month our autumn winter catalogs coming out, and I'm really excited about seeing that. But you will get sent a catalog if you're a club member. It is a minimum of 3 months subscription, and I'm going to get started. I am really happy the way it turned out, and like I said, if you're interested in the club, check out my links below, subscribe to my channel, and have a great day. Bye.